Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. In this video, we're going to learn how to send money via Interac e-transfer on Scotia Bank app. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Move Money. On this screen, you will see an option for Interac e-transfer. Tap on Interac e-transfer. Now, select first the From and To accounts. In this case, we're going to pull out the money from the checking account. Next, select the recipient. Tap on Select Contact. If you haven't added a contact yet, tap on Add a New Contact, and enter the contact details. After that, enter the amount you wish to send. You could also include a message, but it's optional. Then to complete, slide to Send. And that's how you send money via Interac e-transfer on Scotia Bank app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.